My name's Emery and we're next to railway tracks in Edinburgh. After university, I was freelance for quite a while, and I ended up getting a job as a graphic designer at a commercial signage company. So that's kind of where the sign making element of it came into being, and how it sort of twigged in my mind that, you know, I could actually apply these skills to other things. There is a lot of specialist tools that we use, particularly in the manufacturing of neon and signs. The importance of having good tools and versatile tools is quite important. I think the word versatile is quite important. Neon as a medium is so tied to advertising, it has such a high graphic quality. I don't want to say it's very easy to do, but it's very easy to put a sign up that just stands out and just makes the place look so much better or so much nicer or so good. The KNIPEX bag is very, very useful in that all of those items you need are really in one place. The quality of the tools are second to none, but having something that's well designed to hold all of those things and organize all those things is very helpful. You were kind of trying to inject life, narrative into something that was very flat, whereas the making of anything has a very strong narrative in terms of its creation, its conception, its design. You know, that journey itself just feels so right.